All right, I'm going to show you how to post a picture on Facebook using the mobile app. First, we'll find the app on our phone. I'll open it, and usually on the front page, right in your feed that shows up when you open the app, up top you'll see a "What's on your mind" prompt. You could tap that to just write a status update in a text format, but since I want to post a picture, I'll go back, and next to that text field, I'm going to tap this little picture icon instead. It's going to ask for permission to access your camera roll and photos if you haven't already granted that, so I'll go ahead and allow it. Then I can choose a photo from my gallery. You can also browse different folders on your phone, but I'll just go to the main gallery and find the picture I want to share on Facebook. Once I have the photo selected, I can add some text to go along with it, tag a location, tag people in the post, or edit the picture directly with this little pencil icon. You can crop it, maybe focus on the subject a bit better, or even rotate the photo if it's one of those that ended up sideways in your photo gallery. Once I'm done with the edits, I'll tap the check mark, tap Next, and it'll show a little preview of how the post will look in my feed. Under Post Audience, you can choose who gets to see this. Public, meaning anyone on Facebook, just your friends, or Friends Except if you want to exclude specific people, or even Specific Friends if you only want it visible to a curated list. Lots of options there. You can also add music to the post, which of course is optional. There's also an AI label option here. You can read more details by tapping the link, but basically any AI-generated content that appears photorealistic and can be mistakenly interpreted as real-life photos or videos, that type of content needs an AI disclaimer through that toggle. Anyways, I'll proceed. The post will take a few seconds to upload, and after that, I'm going to see my photo on my profile, and people who I'm friends with will also see it on their Facebook feed. And that is how you post a picture on Facebook using the mobile app. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all!